In today's video, I'm going to share what ticker symbols are, and as a bonus, I'll share what market cycle means, the different kind of market cycle, and why this information is important over your investment journey. So what are ticker symbols? Ticker symbols are unique symbols assigned to different asset classes. So they are symbols you can use to identify different asset class or companies you want to invest in. So these ticker symbols are listed on the stock exchange. Now, what is stock exchange? Stock exchange are platforms where publicly traded stocks can list their shares on. So, does it mean that a company has only one ticker symbol? Well, you guessed it right. The ticker symbol is assigned to individual stocks. So, if a company has more than two stocks, then it would have two ticker symbols. Take Bershikin Highway, for instance. They have BRKBA and BRKBB. So there are two different stocks with two different ticker symbols, unique ticker symbols assigned to them. Now, these ticker symbols or these companies in and of itself, their ticker symbols are assigned by the kind of stock exchange they list their publicly traded shares on. For instance, there are two major stock exchanges, which is the NYSE and the Nasdaq. I'm sure you've come across these concepts in either in conversations or in financial reports. So the NYSE is an abbreviation for the New York Stock Exchange. The New York Stock Exchange is located in California, and it helps company is a composite of traditional blue chip stocks and industrial stocks. So if you're a blue chip stock and you're a traditional or industrial stock, you host your public company on the NYSE. Conversely, the Nasdaq is home for the tech stock, biochemistry stock, and all other growth oriented stock. That's why you see that the companies listed on the Nasdaq, the volatility is very high. So companies that will list on the Nasdaq are tech stocks, the Tesla, Amazon, Apple, etc. While New York's NYSE is Walmart, Apple, and other varieties. So to distinguish an easy way, I'm going to show you a trick. An easy way to distinguish between a New York Stock Exchange stock and a Nasdaq stock. A Nasdaq stock is usually 4 letters, while NYSE can be either from 2 to 3 letters. So any ticker symbol with 4 letters is instantly a Nasdaq stock. But Facebook have been able to pull it off, and they retained their unique symbol FB, even though they listed on the Nasdaq. Yes, so they were somehow able to pull it off. But as a rule of thumb, any stock with a 2 to 3 ticker symbol is known for the NYSE, while any stock for 4 letters is for the Nasdaq. Now that's all you need to know about ticker symbols. We move on to market cycles. Market cycles are the cyclical cycles of the market. So there's a term called the bull and bear market. I'm sure you've heard about that concept. So bull market means when assets are in decline. Assets are in decline. So nobody wants assets that are declining. So everybody's selling it, making it more declining. So there's a discrepancy between supply and demand. The supply is high, the demand is low, eventually making price plummet even the more. The converse is the bull market. Bull market is a cycle of the market where prices are rising, skyrocketing. So the demand is high, the supply is low. Basic economics ultimately making the price skyrocket. So these are two cyclical markets you have to understand over your investment career. And why is it important to sustain this kind of information? Because there is no void. The meaning of cyclical is repetitive, always moving. There's no such thing as a neutral market. You are either in a bull market or in a bear market. So, a bull market like I said, prices are rising. This is when stocks are rising at an all-time high. It makes it difficult to invest. A bear market, prices are declining, everybody's selling, everybody's in a panic, which makes it easier to invest. It's like Warren Buffett would say, when people are greedy, get fearful. When people are fearful, get greedy. So bear market is the best time for you to come in and invest, establish your layer because you sustain the information that the market is cyclical. When the tides will turn, you have no idea, but you know eventually it's going to happen. So that's all for today, guys. If you if you gained value, please let me know in the comment section. As always, it's a pleasure speaking to you guys. I'll see you in the next one.